Welcome back now to Prime Time Sports Monday. Let's bowl off with some cricket news. Former West Indies Test vice-captain Jermaine Blackwood has been dropped from the Jamaica Scorpions team for the 6th round CWI regional match against Guyana Harpy Eagles at Sabina Park starting Wednesday. Blackwood, who started the season as the Scorpions captain, has produced a mere 88 runs in 9 innings so far for the Jamaican franchise. The 32-year-old's top score of the season is 27, and he has made 3 ducks in the championship. Head coach Andrew Richardson made the disclosure to TVJ Sports following Monday afternoon's training session.
Both have had up and down time with the bat, especially Jermaine, that we do continue to support Jermaine, through his lean period. We know the quality that he has produced for Jamaica and for the West Indies for years. So, for him not to be at his best at the moment, it is not something that we wanted, but, we continue to support him through his time.
Along with Blackwood, Leroy Lugg has been omitted from the 13-man squad following the 7-wicket defeat to the Leeward Islands on March 23.
Young Beckford, Justin makes a squad this time around, and Javon Buchanan is also in the squad. He has been having a decent season, and the last couple of seasons have been fairly good opening the batting. We know that our top order hasn't given us the sort of consistency that we have been looking for, and hence both guys come into the squad. Markin Amili also he was already in the squad from the last game. He has already full fitness, and he's eligible for selection.
Spotted at training was former Jamaica and West Indies captain Jimmy Adams, who is a former Cricket West Indies director of cricket. Richardson is happy to have the 56-year-old around the setup.
What Jimmy brings to the table, it is invaluable. Any bit of advice that he can give, especially to our young batters that you see that we have around here, it is gold. So to have somebody, with Jimmy's level of knowledge, and he is willing to share it with the players that we have, we can only, be happy for that.